Stop. If you're tired of forgetting English words the next day, this video changes everything. I'm about to show you 10 words you'll remember forever without studying. This is day 3, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to day 3 of Vocabulary with Stories. If you missed day 1 and day 2, don't worry, each day is a fresh start. Here's how it works. I tell you one powerful story. You learn 10 English words, and you never forget them. It's that simple. Here's the challenge. Listen carefully and try to spot the 10 vocabulary words in this story. Just listen, don't pause. After the story, everything will become clear. Ready? Let's begin. It was midnight when Arav heard a loud knock on his door. He felt nervous because he wasn't expecting anyone. He approached the door slowly and asked, "Who's there?" A weak voice replied, "Please help me." Arav hesitated but finally opened the door. A young man stood there, soaking wet from the rain. His clothes were torn, and he looked desperate. "My car broke down 2 miles away. Can I use your phone?" the stranger asked. Arav was suspicious at first, but something in the man's eyes told him he was honest. He invited him inside and offered him a towel. After the man made his call, he thanked Arav and promised to never forget his kindness. Sometimes, trusting your instinct can lead to the right decision. Did you catch all 10 words? Let's find out if you got them right. Here are the meanings and examples. Number 1. Nervous. Meaning: feeling worried or scared. Example: I feel nervous before an exam. Number 2. Approached. Meaning: moved closer to something. Example: she approached the dog carefully. Number 3. Hesitated. Meaning: paused before doing something. Example: he hesitated before answering the question. Number 4. Soaking. Meaning: completely wet. Example: my shoes were soaking after the rain. Number 5. Desperate. Meaning: in great need or trouble. Example: the lost child looked desperate. Number 6. Suspicious. Meaning: feeling that something is wrong. Example: the police was suspicious of his story. Number 7. Honest. Meaning: truthful and sincere. Example: she is an honest person. Number 8. Invited. Meaning: asked someone to come in. Example: they invited me to their party. Number 9. Instinct. Meaning: natural feeling without thinking. Example: trust your instinct when making decisions. Number 10. Decision. Meaning: a choice you make. Example: it was a difficult decision to make. Time to perfect your pronunciation. Say each word with me, slow and clear. Listen first, then repeat. This method makes your brain remember words effortlessly. Nervous, approached, hesitated, soaking, desperate, suspicious, honest, invited, instinct, decision. Alright, now listen carefully. I'm going to repeat the same story. But this time, I'll highlight all the important vocabulary, so your brain can connect the word with the emotion in the story. Arav felt nervous when he heard the knock. He approached the door slowly. He hesitated before opening it. The stranger was soaking wet. He looked desperate for help. Arav was suspicious at first, but the man seemed honest. Arav invited him inside. He trusted his instinct. It was the right decision. Alright, let's test your learning. Write your answers in the comments. I'll personally check and reply. What does hesitated mean? Give an example using suspicious. Why did Arav help the stranger? And that's it. You just learned 10 powerful English words without even trying. Here's the truth. If you come back every single day, your vocabulary will grow automatically. No boring textbooks, no pressure, just stories that stick. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on day 4, same time, new story, and 10 brand new words.